Hey, Poor Guy Outdoor Cooking. Hello, folks. Welcome. Thank you for stopping by. You know, it's a beautiful, crisp fall morning here in central Oklahoma. We're gonna cook up a breakfast, a kind of a breakfast casserole. Now, if you're new here, we don't typically do recipes per se. I'm not going to give you measurements and things like that. So if that's what you're looking for, I'm sorry. We pretty much come up with ideas that are um, real for real folks and not very costly. So we're going to do a kind of a hash brown egg casserole thing. And this is what we got. I got my lovely wife Dawn recording me as always. We just got some, this is all great value products for the most part, with the exception of the bacon and the sausage. So we did see kind of a deal on this. So let me show you what we're going to do. We're going to go ahead and use this aluminum pan and just spray some oil in there so things don't stick. And we got some just hash brown patties, for better words. Don't know how many it's going to take. We got 2 containers, which we're not worried about that because we always like to fry these up and eat them any time of the day. They're going to fit like that? No, they're not. Again, we've never tried this. And it's the first time. Oh, there's Frodo. He would like to have some bacon. Or if I could break these in half. Kind of do like that or something. I think that's fine. Got most of it covered. So the next layer is going to be what? Shredded cheese. Yeah, Dawn's helping me. She remembers more than I do. This is just, I know, you shouldn't use prepackaged shredded cheese. You know what? It's a simple recipe. And granted, is it the tastiest cheese in the world? No, it's not. We like tasty cheese, but this is okay. And it's fairly inexpensive. Now the meat. Okay, so we just have some crumbled up breakfast sausage. It's a local sausage here in Oklahoma, mostly used for fundraisers for schools and whatnot. It's called Blue and Gold, and we'll get some sausage every, well, twice a year maybe. So we're gonna go ahead and layer that sausage in, and just some hickory smoked bacon, pre-cooked. Because meat and cheese and potatoes, man, that's what we're all about. And we'll have a little bit extra on the side. We're okay with that. We'll set that there. Now, sliced cheese. For some reason, we decided to go with Gouda today. Because it's a Gouda. And it's one of Tori's favorites. And we like to make sure Tori's happy here at the house. Our daughter, Tori. So let's just let's get the sliced Gouda on there. And we're going to, go ahead, if you're a normal person, and put this in your oven. We're doing it on the ZGRILLS because this is Poor Guy Outdoor Cooking, not Poor Guy Indoor Cooking. Yeah, we're just going to layer some of this Gouda on there. It's kind of a smoky cheese, and it melts nicely too. Oh, I'll tell you, you're outside and you got the smell of sausage and bacon on a nice crisp morning, a delicious warm breakfast. Man, that's good stuff. Now we do more hash browns. Let's do this. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and we're going to go to another package here, and we'll have some left over, and that's awesome. Hey, look at that, fit in there. I guess it's a little bit wider on the top.
Oh yeah.
Spread these out a little bit. Ooh, this is going to be heavy duty. Now the egg.
Now the egg.
Here comes the egg. Now, do you remember how many eggs it was?
8.
8 eggs, half and half, salt, garlic, salt, and pepper. We're going to pour this over here again. We don't know as far as measurements and how much is going to be appropriate for this. Should I just use it all?
Use it all and then.
Yeah, Dawn says use it all, and it'll be fine. And I agree with her. You know, I should start calling this Poor Family Outdoor Cooking because it's not really all about me. My wife is a huge part of this. Um, and then we're going to go ahead and put it in the ZGRILLS. I got it set for 375. Now, I can't speak for all pellet grills because the only pellet grill I've ever had is ZGRILLS. They sent it to us a while back and we're really enjoying it. Yeah, you smoke, right? You go 225 and tomorrow I'm going to smoke a pork butt on here and you get that smoke. Now, the higher temperature you get, the less smoke flavor you're going to get into the food. So I basically use this as an outdoor oven, which I really, really like. Besides smoking, I like having something that I can actually bake in. So let's open this bad boy up and put it in there. I said bad boy. All right, there it is. Okay, the ZGRILLS is going to do its thing. I'm going to guess 30 minutes, 45 minutes. I don't know. Uh, we'll check back here and let you know. But really, it's just about getting the eggs at this point cooked up, and we're gonna add a little bit more cheese when it gets close to being done, and let that bake on there too. This is gonna be delicious. Yeah, happy fall, y'all. Peace. Okay, we're back. Just wanted to show you what we're looking at. The egg is set up pretty nicely. It's been about 35 minutes. Um, It may have used a little bit more egg to kind of cover up the top hash browns a little bit, but overall, I think it's looking good. I did go ahead and melt some butter and just spread it on top of these hash browns a couple minutes ago, just because I felt like it needed it. So we're just going to do another layer of cheese. And I'm not going to go too crazy with this cheese, just a little bit more on the top. Now remember, I put black pepper and garlic salt in the egg mixture. So we won't be adding any more salt at this time, but um, if we want to add more salt and pepper to it individually, we'll go ahead and do that. And I just want to add, I think that'll be plenty there because it's got quite a bit of cheese in it anyway. So we're going to leave this on here until the cheese gets more melted on top, and we'll get a thumbnail and get a slice of that and give it a try. It's smelling really good. I think it's going to be delicious. So come on back here, and we'll give it a taste. Peace. Let's do this. Overall, 45 minutes total. There it is. Look at it, it's bubbling away in there. It smells so good. Okay, I'm going to take this off and I'm going to step around the puppies here. We're going to try to get a slice out of there. Get ourselves a fancy thumbnail, and I'll give it a try. Let's take these bulky gloves off. And let's try this out. We'll just get a corner piece to make it easy. Oh, it smells so good. Hopefully I can get this out without too much problems. Oh yeah. Oh, we got a little crispy on the bottom. Man, it looks good. Mm-mm-mm. Yeah, we're going to go ahead and get a thumbnail of this, and then I'll give it a try. So come on back here in just a second. Peace out. Well, I've got an audience for sure. Take a look. Oh, they know I got food. There it is. We went and got our thumbnail. You see the bacon and the sausage and layers of cheese. The hash brown got a little crispy on the top. The egg bake on the bottom. Oh yeah. Cheers. Yeah. That's a winner. Mmm. That's good. That's real good. We're going to have this for breakfast right now. Mm. That tastes so good. Eating it outdoors, nice and chilly. That's nice and hot. PoorGuy Outdoor Cooking. Well, thanks for stopping by. If you're new, feel free to hit that subscribe button. It won't hurt. All right. Appreciate y'all. Peace.